For those who know what a vision board is, you can skip the time duration displayed on the screen or continue watching to know more about it. To be simply put, a vision board is a visual representation of your goals. It turns out this can actually help you to achieve them, as mental practices like visualization can increase motivation, confidence, and can even motor performance. It will guide your mind's eye towards the things you want, and it will help you imagine your life matching the life you have created on your board. And that being said, let us see how to make one for the coming year. Take a moment of self-reflection and write down your goals. Search for images and illustrations in the web that represent the future you would like to see. Use any software to edit the images and make a collage. There is no right or wrong way to arrange them until you feel that it looks pretty. Print your final design on an A3 sized photo sheet. To hang your vision board, you might have to punch a hole or use tape. You will have to hang it in a place you would see on a daily basis. Thank you for watching my video. Hope your vision board comes out great. Follow me on Instagram to get updates and interesting feed on my YouTube channel.